1966 Ford F-250 long bed. Price, $6,000 US. Location, Miami. The 1966 Ford F-250 long bed is one of those classic American pickup trucks that immediately commands respect. Built during an era when trucks were designed for strength rather than luxury, this camper special represents Ford's commitment to durability and hard work. Its bold front grille, long cargo bed, and unmistakable vintage styling make it a standout among classic pickups, attracting collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate authentic American craftsmanship. The truck is powered by a V8 engine paired with the legendary C6 automatic transmission, a combination known for its reliability and ability to handle serious torque. Performance upgrades include Cleveland cylinder heads, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, an Edelbrock intake manifold and air cleaner, plus hooker headers. These aftermarket components were selected to improve airflow and engine performance, giving this vintage pickup a stronger personality than many factory original examples. Even today, these modifications remain popular among classic Ford enthusiasts looking for extra power and improved throttle response. The seller notes that the truck currently has a blown head gasket, preventing it from being road-ready. However, the engine still starts and reportedly sounds excellent, making this a very promising restoration candidate rather than a complete mechanical disaster. Replacing the head gasket is a repair that many experienced restorers can tackle, and once completed, this classic Ford could return to the road with confidence. For buyers searching for a rewarding restoration project, this truck offers an excellent balance between affordability and potential. The body condition is surprisingly solid for a pickup that has spent nearly 6 decades on the road. Most of the sheet metal appears to be in very good shape, preserving the truck's original character and rugged appearance. The primary concern is rust around the roof edges and the upper door frame area, where corrosion has become more significant. While those sections will require proper metal repair, the rest of the truck provides a strong foundation for restoration, saving future owners from extensive body reconstruction. The Camper Special package has always been appreciated for its heavy-duty capability, making these trucks especially desirable among collectors who value utility and history. Unlike many classic vehicles that were preserved only for display, trucks like this earned their reputation through years of real work. That heritage adds authenticity and character that cannot be replicated, making every scratch and modification part of its unique story. The asking price of just $6,000 US makes this 1966 Ford F-250 long bed an attractive opportunity in today's classic truck market. Comparable restored examples often sell for significantly higher prices, meaning there is plenty of room for value appreciation after restoration.